Hey everybody, this is Paul at Eds Autosound in West Los Angeles. Just want to show you this brand new 2012 Toyota Prius that was sent over to us from our friends at Mike Miller Toyota. Customer purchased the vehicle and wanted to add satellite radio and Bluetooth. So we were able to retain the factory stereo along with the steering wheel controls, and we added, so let me show you. If we press, we're on FM, we're going to go to satellite, and I'm going to go up.
USB.
Channel 1 is USB.
Bluetooth.
Channel 2 is Bluetooth.
Sirius.
Radio
Number 3 is Sirius.
Auxiliary.
And auxiliary.
USB.
So the USB cable is located down below. We can connect an iPod. It'll allow us to play it.
Bluetooth.
And on Bluetooth, we've got our phone sitting here in the console. No cables connected. And we're actually streaming the music through A2DP.
I know you said he was just a friend.
If I go back to FM, satellite.
Sirius.
Weekday afternoons.
Number 3 is going to be Sirius Satellite Radio. It'll display all the information right on the display.
It's Mad Dog Radio.
And the USB cable is down below, so we can go ahead and connect the iPod along with the standard USB cable directly in here. And this will allow me to play the iPod through the factory system as well. We did all of this using the brand new AudioVox media bridge piece that allows for Bluetooth and iPod integration. And we went ahead and added a universal Sirius tuner. If you have any questions or have a Prius or any other Toyota vehicle would like to add iPod connection and satellite, iPod and Bluetooth, iPod, Bluetooth and satellite, give us a call here at Al and Eds Autosound in West Los Angeles. We can be reached at 310-836-5550. So this does keep the car looking totally stock. Sounds great. Maintain the factory look and allows you to add everything. Thanks.